Hi everyone, I am Global Magamano Kilet and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this video, I will tackle about the ICT concept.
ICT concept in today's digital age, information and communication technology or ICT is an essential part of our daily lives, from smartphones and computers to the internet and social media. ICT has revolutionized the way we work, communicate, and access information. In this video, we'll explore some of the fundamental concepts of ICT, including hardware and software, networks, data management, and security. Whether you're new to ICT or looking to expand your knowledge, this video will provide a comprehensive introduction to the world of information and communication technology. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of ICT concepts. So what is ICT or Information and Communication Technology? Concepts refers to the various technologies and tools used to process, communicate, and store information electronically. These concepts include hardware such as computers, servers, and mobile devices, software such as operating system, productivity tools, and application, networks such as internet and local area networks, and data management such as database and data analytics. Other related concepts including cybersecurity, digital literacy, and e-commerce. ICT concepts are used in various industries and sectors including businesses, education, healthcare, government, and entertainment, among others. So our mobile phones, computers, application, our network are some of the various technology that we use daily in our life, because we are in the era that our technology are expanding and become more high-tech. So our technology right now are helping our various industries such as education, business, healthcare, and government. And our life right now is become more easier because of the use of our technology. So as you can see in my mind mapping, there are 5 ICT concepts that I put. There are internet, computer networks, cybersecurity, AI or artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. Tackle first the internet. So the internet is a global network of interconnected computers and servers that use standardized communication protocols to exchange information and data. It enables users around the world to access and share a vast array of information, communicate with each other, and participate in a wide range of online activities. So our internet right now was so helpful for us, because through internet we can communicate our family in just one click, even if they are in the other countries. And internet help us to share our data faster in just a second. So that's why internet is very useful in our daily life. So let's go to www or the World Wide Web is a global network of interconnected documents and resources accessed via the internet that are identified by uniform resource locators or URLs and can be viewed using web browsers. It was invented by British computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 and has become an essential part of modern communication and information sharing. E-commerce or electronic commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet or electronic networks. And it involves conducting business transactions through electronic means such as online marketplace, websites, or mobile apps. E-commerce enables businesses to reach a wider audience, reduce transaction costs, and offer customers more convenient and personalized shopping experience. So like Shopee or Lazada, guys, we can easily buy item with just our mobile phones, and it's like Gcash, guys, that we can pay our bills using Gcash app. In the other hand, SOCMED or social media refers to the online platforms and technologies that allow users to create, share, and exchange information, ideas, and content in virtual communities and networks. Example of social media platforms include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Social media has revolutionized the way people communicate, share information, and connect with one another, and has become a powerful tool for businesses, organizations, and individuals to build relationships, promote their brands, and engage with their audience. So social media, guys, are helpful for this society. So that's why And there are some negative effects of social media, guys, so we need to think before we click. So that's all for the internet, guys. So we need to go to the computer networks. So computer networks refers to a group of interconnected computers and devices that communicate and share resources with others, such as files, printers, and internet connection. These networks can be wired or wireless and can be used for a variety of purposes, including sharing data, resources, and services, as well as enabling communication and collaborating between users. Let's go to N topology or network topology. Refers to the physical or logical arrangement of nodes and communication links in a network. There are several types of network topologies, including bus, star, ring, mesh, and hybrid. And transmission control protocol is a set of communication protocols that enables communication between different devices on a network. It is the foundation of the internet and it's used many other networks as well. So, ang TCP, guys, is responsible for ensuring the data is transmitted correctly and reliability between devices, while IP is responsible for routing data packets to their intended destination. And network security involves implementing measures to protect a network from unauthorized access, theft, or damage. So ang network security, guys, is a security to help us to prevent the theft of the internet or the hackers of the internet. So we will going to cybersecurity. Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting electronic devices, networks, and sensitive information from unauthorized access, theft, or damage. It involves using various technologies, processes, and procedures to safeguard digital assets against attack from the malicious actors, including hackers, viruses, and other cyber threats. So that is the cybersecurity, guys. And authentication and access control. One of the primary goals of cybersecurity is to ensure that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive information or sources. Authentication methods such as a password, biometrics, and two-factor authentication are used to verify the identity of users before granting them access to systems or data. And access control is used to manage permission and privilege to limit the scope of access granted to users based on the rules and responsibility. And encryption and data protection. Encryption is the process of converting sensitive data into an undurable format that can only be deciphered using a decryption key. Encryption ensures that even if an attacker gains access to the encrypted data, you will not be able to read or use it without the decryption key. And data protection also involves methods such as data backup, disaster recovery planning, and data attention policies to ensure that data is always available and recoverable in the event of a security incident or a system failure. And threat detection and response. Threat detection and response involve using technologies such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and antivirus software to monitor and identify potential threats to an organization, system, and data. When threat is detected, a response plan should be implemented to minimize the impact of the attack and prevent it from spreading further. This may involve isolating affecting systems, blocking network traffic, or deploying additional security measures to prevent future attacks. So let's go to AI, or AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as perception, learning, reasoning, and decision making. That was the AI, guys. And machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that involves training computers' algorithms to learn patterns and make predictions based on data. Involves feeding large amount of data into algorithms which then use statistical methods to identify patterns and make predictions. And natural language processing is a branch of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand and interpret human language. Manang ang AI, guys. And computer vision is an AI concept that involves enabling machines to interpret and analyze visual data such as images and videos. This involves teaching machines to identify and classify objects, recognize faces, and understand the context of visual data. Going to cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, database, software, and more over the internet, allowing individuals and organizations to access and use these resources on demand and pay only for what they use, rather than having to invest in and maintain their own physical infrastructure. And infrastructure as a service is a cloud computing concept that provides virtualized computing sources over the internet. This includes storage, networking, and computing sources such as servers, operating systems, and middleware. And platform as a service, guys, is another cloud computing concept that provides a platform for developers to build, deploy, and manage applications over the internet. The cloud service provides the hardware and software required to run the application, including the operation system, programming language, databases, and middleware. So that's all, guys. So that's all for the ICT concept. Thank you.